How far did you go in school?
I only went to 6th grade, ma'am.
All right. So why did you only go to 6th?
Incarcerated.
You were incarcerated in 6th grade?
Yes, ma'am.
How old were you?
I was 13.
He joined gang at the age of 13 and only completed 6th grade. Watch how Judge Boyd reacts on this and sentences him to prevent further damage to society.
Court is calling 2023 CR 2432, State of Texas versus Miguel Maldonado. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar from the state of Texas.
Defense?
John Pettis for defense.
Are you Miguel Maldonado?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Maldonado, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge.
All right, Mr. Maldonado, I'm going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of possession of marijuana 4 ounces to 5 pounds as a state jail felony? The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
All right, counsel, I see listed in the paperwork Thomas Beck as the attorney.
I should have scratched out most of the places where he was supposed to sign.
Okay. Thank you. Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Judge.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Maldonado, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 16 months in the state jail facility. There's a $500 fine. State recommends community supervision. They'll take in consideration grand jury number 801464, which is the JN number 2142166, county court cause number 715777. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. State is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 3 years. There be a TAP evaluation and 150 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand that those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
I plead guilty.
State, any evidence?
State offers to exhibit one in all actions.
No objections, Judge.
All right, you may continue to confer. Counsel.
Sorry, Judge.
Oh, no problem. Mr. Maldonado, I'm showing you what's entitled Waiving Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes.
All right, court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We just ask that you follow the agreement, Judge.
All right. Mr. Maldonado, do you have any children?
I got one on the way, ma'am.
All right. And how old are you?
Me, I'm 25.
Are you employed?
Not at the moment, ma'am.
When's the last time you had employment? And I mean an employment where you got a paycheck.
Probably like 3-4 months ago, ma'am.
All right. Why are you not employed?
At the moment, it's because I lost my ID and I'm in the process of getting my social.
And if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
I'm going to be dirty for marijuana, ma'am.
All right. So here's the thing. I can place you on probation, follow your agreement. Probation in here is, as the deputies tell me, it's not the easiest of probation because I want people to make changes in their life, right? You have an issue with gang affiliation, correct?
No, ma'am. I'm not a gang anymore.
So you just love Louis Vuitton.
What do you mean?
That tattoo on your head. You're just in love with the brand?
No, if you look at my thing, ma'am, when I'm incarcerated, I go inactive. You know what I mean? I'm not in part of the gang no more, ma'am.
So what she's asking, is it a tattoo from your days in the gang?
Yeah, it's previous.
But you are not anymore?
No.
All right, because what I'm reading, all of the people in that vehicle are all gang members and active gang members, and that's what the surveillance was about.
He's not anymore, Judge. That's all you can say.
Well, here's the thing. You're going to end up on gang supervision. So if you think you can complete this, you know yourself better than I do and better than your attorney do. I will follow the agreement. But again, being on probation here is hard. So if you want to, I can follow the agreement. If you don't, if you want to just do your time, I can sentence you to time.
No, ma'am. I want to follow the agreement because I got a baby girl on the way, ma'am.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. There'll be a $500 fine. That will be probated. 16 months in the state jail facility, suspended and probated for 3 years. We're going to do gang supervision. Take in consideration grand jury number 801464, JN number 2142166, county court cause number 715777. Once they review your status, if they determine that you're not a gang member, you will not be on gang supervision. But they're probably going to show up in the system that you're a gang member.
Okay, but yes, ma'am, that's what I was going to say because in my previous record, like when I was incarcerated, I was in the gang.
Mhm.
Last time I went down, I went inactive and stuff, so there shouldn't be no reason. You know what I mean? Actually,
Okay.
you know what I'm saying?
Well, it's probably going to pop up as a gang member, right? So if it doesn't pop up, if they say that you're not, then he will be on regular supervision. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. There's going to be 150 hours of community service restitution. How far did you go in school?
I only went to 6th grade, ma'am.
All right. So why did you only
I
go to
was
6th?
incarcerated.
You were incarcerated in 6th grade?
Yes, ma'am.
How old were you?
I was 13
All right. Incarcerated for what?
for my juvenile case,
What was it?
What was the,
aggravated assault.
okay. All right. I'm going to ask for parenting classes. And either you're going to get your GED or you're going to do some type of trade school or something with your life.
Well, I was in the process of getting in barber school. I'm just
Okay.
waiting for them to see if they're going to approve me with the little Goodwill program that they got going on.
Mhm.
You know what I mean? And I'm in the process of getting in that.
All right. So it's going to be one or the other. Once he's completed parenting classes or obtained his GED or his trade school certificate, then the court will deem the community service hours are satisfied. With community service hours, always try to give something in exchange for that, so for people to improve themselves. And we're going to do regular UAs. You're going to be tested for levels. So there is no marijuana use while you're on probation. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And your child doesn't need to be around anybody who's smoking marijuana. The mother doesn't need to be around anyone smoking marijuana because it impacts the baby's health. You understand? There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be no contact with the following: Eric, A-A-R-I-C, Arlie, A-R-L-I-E, Arias, Christopher, I, Martinez, and that's the letter I, Beto Hernandez, and Amanda Lorraine Enocio, Enocencio. I'm going to want field visits one time per month until further notice. And of course, probation, if he's on gang supervision will do the visitations as they see fit. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Yes, let's do a TAP evaluation out of custody. Follow TAP recommendations. However, if TAP recommends inpatient treatment, we'll start with intensive outpatient treatment.
Thank you, Judge.
And I'm going to ask for 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Anything else, probation? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
Ma'am.
All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes.
All right. Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Probation in this courtroom, they tell me it's difficult. The key to successful probation in this courtroom is communication. If there is something that you feel needs to be addressed, talk to your probation officer. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come to court and address it with me.
Yes, ma'am.
And you need to make sure you report.
Yes, ma'am.
And what you've done, you and the future mother of your child have decided to bring a child into this world. So you need to be someone they're proud of, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And you need to make sure that they go beyond the 6th grade, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am. You too.
You're
Have a
welcome.
good holiday, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. Happy holidays to you too.
Miguel Maldonado appeared before Judge Boyd facing a state jail felony for possession of marijuana. The case took a personal turn when the judge confronted Maldonado about his visible head tattoo and alleged gang affiliations. Maldonado claimed he went inactive after being incarcerated at just 13 years old,